Welcome to our tutorial on the Polyline command. I've got 6 points here and I want to connect them with lines. Let's double-click on the Line tool. Let's select the first and second points. Click OK. Because I double-clicked on the Line command, the line definition window will automatically reopen, so I don't have to click the tool again. I'll just keep selecting points. OK. OK. And my last set of points. OK. When I'm done, let's cancel out of that. Now, activate the Trim Corner tool. Select this line and this one. OK. Oops. Double-click and enter a radius value of 15 millimeters. Enable Trim Element 1 and 2. Let's click OK now. You see now that our selected elements are corner 1 and line 3. Let's click OK. Let's activate the corner tool again. Under element 1, we'll select corner 2. Under element 2, line 4, we'll enter a radius value of 15 millimeters. And the last set. OK. And you see that every time we create corners, the previous corners and lines are put in hide mode. At the end, we end up with corner 4. That's the sum of all of these segments. Next, let's create a sketch on the YZ plane. I'll use the Circle tool now. Dimension. Let's enter a diameter value of 15 millimeters, tab and OK. Let's exit the sketch. We'll deselect everything. Now let's use the Swept function. Under Profile, let's select the profile we just created. Guide Curve. Let's select corner 4. And we'll click OK. What I'll do next is Shift-select all these elements. Control-select Sweep Dot 1, and then right-click and choose Delete. OK. Now let's activate the Polyline tool, which will perform this same operation, but a lot faster. We're going to select our points from the specification tree. And let's say I miss a point, for example, this one. I can click on a point in the definition window and select Add Before, and then select the missing point. Let's click inside the list to select my last point. Now let's enter the radius value for the corners. Point 2, we'll enter a value of 15 millimeters, tab. Point 3, 20 millimeters, tab. Point 4, 20 millimeters, tab. And the last point, point 5, 50 millimeters and tab. Click OK. Now let's apply the Sweep function, or we can go to the Part Design workbench and use the Rib function. Oops. The current in-work object isn't a body. Let's right-click and select Define in Work Object. Now let's reactivate the Rib command. We'll select this profile and this curve and click OK. And we end up with a solid rib. Let's say we want to create a pipe. Let's double-click on the sketch. We'll activate the Circle tool. And let's create a second circle. We'll dimension it. Let's say we want it to be of 16 millimeter diameter. Tab. OK. And now we have a pipe. And this concludes our tutorial on the Polyline command.